Hi everyone, my name is Symphony Leftwich, and today I will be speaking on how vaccines train the immune system without causing disease. So, your immune system doesn't remember everything, but what it does remember can save your life. Vaccines work by teaching your immune system or letting your immune system know what a dangerous pathogen looks like before you ever encounter it. Rather than fighting off a full-blown disease, your body gets a safe rehearsal. And just like that, your body is prepared to fight off the real deal. So, vaccines don't contain active disease-causing pathogens. Instead, what they do is they introduce a harmless version or specific components called antigens. These antigens comes in several forms, such as inactivated viruses, weakened live organisms, purified protein subunits, or even mRNA, which briefly instructs the cells to produce a viral protein. The key point is that none of these can cause the disease itself, but they still provide enough information for the immune system to recognize the threat when it finally does approach. When a vaccine is introduced, antigen-presenting cells capture the antigen and present it to the T cells. The helper T cells then activate B cells, which differentiate into plasma cells that produce specific antibodies designed to bind that antigen. At the same time, the immune system creates memory B cells and T cells. These cells persist long after the initial exposure of the disease or whatever the sickness may be, sometimes years or even decades into the future. So, why does memory matter? If the real pathogen ever enters the body, these memory cells will react rapidly, often neutralizing the infection before symptoms even appear. This secondary immune response is faster, stronger, and more precise than the first, which is why vaccinated individuals are far less likely to experience a severe version of the disease that they have contracted. Vaccination doesn't just protect us as individuals, it protects communities. When enough people are immune, herd immunity reduces the speed of or the spread of disease, shielding vulnerable populations such as infants, elderly, and the immunocompromised, who are not able to get the vaccine. So, what draws me to microbiology and immunology is that it transforms prevention into a biological strategy. Vaccines don't eliminate microbes, but they work by understanding them. They represent one of the most powerful examples of how knowledge at a microscopic level can create protection on a global scale.